Hello children, we will continue with lesson 4 Urbanization. In our last video, we have already learnt about the concept of satellite city. Today we will learn about smart city. So let's first understand the meaning of smart city. A smart city is an urban region which is highly advanced in terms of overall infrastructure, communications, and market viability. But why is there a need to build a smart city? The main purpose of a smart city is to improve the quality of life of the people by harnessing information technology and to push economic growth. Also, smart cities encourage area-based development by transforming existing areas including slums into better planned places so that people can live happily and comfortably. New areas are identified so that more people can be accommodated in the future. Stephen Sorrell is a person who focuses on two benefits of smart cities, that is sustainability and efficiency. He also identified other 5 essential features of smart city, which includes technologies, buildings, utilities, transportation and road infrastructure and the smart city itself. Not only citizens but also governmental and commercial entities play a major role in turning the cities into smart cities. Some typical features of development in smart cities are described as: first, promoting mixed land use in area-based development, proper sanitation and waste management system, round-the-clock and adequate water supply, promote a variety of transport options, maintaining parks, playgrounds and recreational places, safety and security of women, children and elderly, giving the identity to the city, sustainable environment with more than adequate green cover, reduce congestion, air pollution and resource depletion, and last one, quick and efficient functioning of the law enforcement officials. In India, 60 cities have been selected as smart cities under Smart Cities Mission, which was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015. It includes Jaipur, Pune, Lucknow, Chandigarh, Hyderabad, Raipur, Indore, Bhopal, Kochi, etc. The first 10 smart cities of India are Bhubaneswar, Pune, Jaipur, Surat, Ludhiana, Kochi, Sholapur, New Delhi and Udaipur. If we see top 10 smart cities in the world as per 2017, they are New York City in USA, London in UK, Paris in France, Boston in USA, San Francisco in USA, Washington DC in USA, Seoul in South Korea, Tokyo in Japan, Berlin in Germany, Amsterdam in Netherlands. Now children, what is the difference between a smart city and a satellite city? We have studied both now, satellite city and smart city. Now what's the difference? A smart city is an urban region that is highly advanced in terms of overall infrastructure, sustainable real estate, communications and market. It is a city where information technology is the principal infrastructure and the basis for providing essential services to residents. So all these facilities are there. Market viability, overall infrastructure is there, communications are there. All these things are there in the smart city. Whereas satellite cities are planned cities adjacent to a major city. Such cities manage or contain urban sprawl. Satellite cities could be standalone cities developed outside the metros. They are self-containing, independent cities unlike a suburb or a subdivision. So children, like this we have finished with this chapter, lesson 4 urbanization. I have also attached one worksheet along with this video. I have also attached, I am giving homework, so solve it in your files. In our next class, we will start with lesson 7, Asia. Thank you very much.